This website will undoubtedly start mining Bitcoin for you every 2 minutes. So you don't need to refresh the web page or collect your profits manually. They will get sent into your Bitcoin wallet automatically every 2 minutes on complete autopilot. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you just how I can make $5,937 in Bitcoin automatically every single day for absolutely free without any work needed. We are going to set up a brand new stream of passive income that will produce money for you every single day without you being actively involved in this process. Now, I am most likely to expose an extremely detailed strategy. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, leave a comment down below. Now let's start the video. So, we will use a lot of websites and you need to pay close attention to understand the process and have the ability to implement it on your own. I'm going to make things very clear and easy. I require you to follow along to make this work. If you have the patience to watch this video until the end, you will certainly have a complete blueprint, a full set of guidelines that you can follow to take full advantage of this technique which I am about to share with you today. The first thing I desire you to do is to set up your Bitcoin wallet. It's so simple. There are a couple of methods you can do this. The first one would certainly be connecting to Coinbase.com and setting up your Bitcoin wallet for absolutely free below. Or you can also go over to blockchain.com and do the same thing. Generally, all you need to do is click on Get Started. It will certainly redirect you to a kind of form where you can enter your information and you are good to go. The process is entirely free, so you don't need to spend anything on it. However, if you cannot decide which Bitcoin wallet is the most suitable one for you, you can go over to bitcoin.org/en/choose your wallet. These guys have got a form right here that you can finish watching which one is the most ideal, but whatever option you choose, it doesn't truly matter as long as you have a Bitcoin wallet, you are good to go. We can go on to the second step that will certainly be the one that is going to help us set this procedure on total autopilot so that it generates money for us passively. As you all know, we like to keep things very simple below on our channel. So we are already going on to the second step, which would be connecting to a couple of different websites to automate the procedure. The first one of them is called faucetpay.io. So I desire you to connect to this website. It's necessary to implement my technique correctly. Otherwise, it might not work or you might not generate maximum results for yourself. As soon as you are right here, all that's left for you to do is click the sign up button. Make sure to enter your correct credentials here. So a username, the email address you are presently making use of, because they will send you validation or a confirmation web link, whatever you wish to call it. If you don't click on that web link that they are going to send you, they will not validate your account. You will not have the ability to utilize their website. When you are done with that, the following website you need to connect to is called expresscrypto.io. It is also a necessity for implementing our approach appropriately. So, we will certainly have to sign up by clicking on this button in the top corner, sign up. Do the same thing over again, enter your credentials, username, email and so on. However, most essentially, enter a valid Bitcoin address since we connected to Coinbase or blockchain. First, to have a Bitcoin address that we can utilize currently to link our Express Crypto account to it, FaucetPay account to that Bitcoin address. Now, this is more than just how your Bitcoin address is going to look like. It may seem random to you, yet it is not. So make sure that you get in the correct one here, otherwise you will not able to withdraw your cash and take advantage of the vast potential that the method has. But I want you to understand exactly how this process works. Generally, the websites that we have attached to FaucetPay and Express Crypto will assist us in automating the procedure because we will connect our Bitcoin wallet address to these websites to get money passively without our active verification, without having to bother with the procedure whatsoever. We are in May 2021 and the price of Bitcoin is presently somewhere around $49,000 and also it has increased gradually, and I think this is the perfect moment to begin earning Bitcoin. Follow my suggestions and observe this video. You will certainly have all the steps, all the guidelines you need to set up an automated process that will undoubtedly allow you to make some significant amounts of money in Bitcoin. We are going on to the third step, and this is the one where I am most likely to disclose the website that are going to produce cash for us passively. Yet before that, I need to make a disclaimer. If you avoid this video and connect to the website and attempt to figure it out on your own, it will be pretty challenging because you might get lost in the process and give up too early. I don't want that you end up there. So I'm going to show you through the process. I require you to be patient. Having that in mind, the first website I need you to connect to is called autofaucet.dachicorp.space. So be sure you type in the correct name. The second was is called autofaucet.org and the third one autoclaim.in. These are all really powerful items of software that will assist us in making that much money today. As you might expect, the first thing I desire you to do is register to all of these 3 websites. After you have done that, you can go on. Now you will certainly have to verify your email. As I mentioned before, you will need to click on that validation link. Eventually, if you do everything correctly, this is just how the home page will look on this website. To set up this procedure, you will certainly need to scroll down and pick a couple of options right here. You should currently have an Express Crypto account, which is exactly why I asked you to register there and sign up, because we need it on this website to start producing money. If you have one, select Express Crypto mode from here and we can proceed to this section where we can choose what currency we want to get. So you have a lot of cryptocurrencies below, different ones that you can pick from here. Yet I favor Bitcoin. As you might see, it is on the increase now. So I'm going to select that option. You will certainly need to complete this simple captcha right here. Then click Start Autofaucet and let's do that now. I wish that does the job. So I'm going to click on Start Autofaucet and see where this sends us. So this is how the panel is going to look like. You are most likely to make money, basically mine Bitcoin every 2 minutes. The major benefit is that you don't need to return to the website every 2 minutes and accumulate your income because your account is connected to expresscrypto.io. To ensure that feature alone will undoubtedly save you a great deal of time. Now the last 2 websites, which are called autofaucet.org and autoclaim.in, are the same. They are very similar in concept and also they work the same, as you can see. Even the entire page looks highly similar. So I'm going to show you through the process for Autofaucet and it will certainly be the same for Autoclaim. When you have logged into your account, you must see your dashboard and have many options right here in this menu on the left hand side. However, the concept right here is a little bit different from the previous one. Much more precisely, you will certainly require to make these points in these free tokens to start mining Bitcoin. And also, just how you do that? Well, it's really very simple. You go over to the daily bonus section or the offer walls and view ads. You will undoubtedly finish surveys and so on. And that will certainly provide you tokens that you can utilize to mine Bitcoin. When you have a specific amount of tokens that you are satisfied with, you can let this procedure run in the background and not stress over it in all. But a significant reality right here, something that is truly important is that you keep your browser on. So don't close your browser and expect the websites to do the work for you, since they will not. You require to let them run in the background, which will generate income for you. As stated, you need to do the same thing for Autoclaim that will add even more money into your Bitcoin wallet that being claimed. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to drop a like, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Leave your comments down below and that's it for now. I will see you in the following videos.